In this video, we will be doing an electrocochleography test, also abbreviated ECoch. We have already prepared our patient. All impedances are below 3 kiloohms. And so what you would do before inserting the TM-Trode is you would, of course, inspect the patient's ear canal to see if there's any earwax in the way, so that we can't put the TM-Trode on the patient's eardrum. We also need to do some preparation after we have looked in the patient's ear. So we need to take our TM-Trode and we need to dip it in a mix of saline solution and conductive gel, and we need to let that rest for 10 minutes. We also need to prepare the patient's ear canal as well. And we will do that by using this IV syringe, and we will fill it up also again with a mix of saline solution and conductive gel, and we will let that rest in the patient's ear for 10 minutes as well.